first you need to take some sampling. Okay, we only need like 100 seeds. So what I will do is just take some samples, and then okay, these are the seeds that we are going to be tested. And then we need to prepare a container. It should have a lid to close it after you finished. This one I'm using, the size is about 17 centimeters times 12, and then the depth is about 4 centimeters. So that should give enough height for the seeds. To find the tissue paper, that's the simplest thing that we can find. So you place it like this. And then we need to prepare a distilled bottle of water. It should be distilled water, but if you cannot find, just use normal drinking water, which is clean, to avoid like bacteria contamination or fungi contamination during the germination test. And then we are going to drip the water in. So it should wet enough to give the seeds to germinate, but do not put too much because the seeds can get rotten. So you just make some adjustment and make the space. And then we take the faucet, just like this one, and then take the sample of the seeds and then place it one by one. So we can continue placing the seeds until you have 100 seeds in the germination box. Okay, now we have 100 seeds. So there are 10 rows and then 10 columns. So there are about 100 seeds now. So make sure you have enough water. If you don't have enough water, you just gently put more water in the corner. And then sometimes you need to place the seed again. This is the reason why you put the water before, not after, because the seeds can go in different places. Okay, now we have 100 seeds, and then you just close the lid. We need to find a label to put on the box. So here we are writing Marigold. The sowing date is on the 5th of July. Then we're gonna stick it on the box, just like this. And then the first day you need to check is the next 4 days. So on the 9th, we are going to check the germination for the first time and count how many seeds is germinated. And then again on 7 days, and then again on 10 days. So all the seeds should germinate after 10 days. If not, then that means the seeds may have slower germination. So one caution is that if you put the seeds in the cooler temperature room, like 20 degrees Celsius, the seeds could germinate slower than normal. So it could go from day 1 to day 14 to the final count. But if you put in room temperature, like between 25 degrees to 30 degrees, then the seeds germinate at 10 days.